This must be it. Yay, we're here. Good morning, guys. I've been trying to think of a cool place to ride for my videos. A couple days ago I watched Leaving Neverland on Netflix, and what do you know, it popped into my head. I think I need to ride there. I think I need to find Neverland Ranch. It's a beautiful day, great day to be on the Speed Twin. Alright, let's go. Alrighty, guys. Well, we are on our way to Neverland Ranch, but first I have to stop and get some gas. Look at this beautiful California stupid gas pump here. That's enough. Gas is so expensive right now. $4.25 for regular. That's gross. Wow, 2.5 hours. Pretty much all on the 101. Start. Oh. 126 miles to Michael Jackson's former home. I can't believe he's been dead 10 years. Seems like last week. Well, I guess the polarizing question of this video will be yay or nay on Michael Jackson. Whee! I have to say that Leaving Neverland video was pretty convincing, but whether you like them or don't like them, that Neverland Ranch is a pretty cool place, it sounds like. So let's try to get to the front gate at least. I think by the oceans it'll be in the low 70s, in the valleys low to mid 80s. Perfect for a good Triumph Speed Twin ride. Okay, well, I'll pick you guys back up in a few minutes when all this traffic thins out. That'd be a little more exciting. Alright, later. Well, mini update. Just driving through some beautiful hill area on the 101. Nothing too exciting. Very windy. Alright, so I just got over this hill. We're getting close to Ventura, and the temperature just dropped significantly. It's like a cold wind gust. So yeah, we're definitely closer to the ocean. I think the last sign said 25 miles to Ventura. Eggs, cottage cheese. Now we're in Ventura. That's a cool bridge. I think a train goes on that one. Oh, hi. That's a great riding road too. 33 North. That's where I bought my first Ducati years ago. But you can never seem to escape traffic in Southern California. It's everywhere. GoPro got smashed with some nasty bugs. Sorry about that. So we're getting off here very soon. Finally, rest my ass a little bit. Seemed around 100 miles is the limit on the stock seat for me personally. Really start to get antsy and have to move around a lot. Alright, we gotta look for a gas station now. Can't believe there's no damn gas stations. That sucked. This is much more scenic. This is nice. A lot of traffic up this road. It's kind of a bummer. Finally got out in front of everybody. Ended up passing everybody one by one. Ooh, fresh pavement. Why do people have to put extra badges on their damn cars? We know it's a Chevrolet. It says it's a Chevrolet. Why do you have to have the bow tie? It's crooked too. That's so dumb. The rare American roundabout. These are not very common. They're more common now in certain areas than they ever were, but still, there's not very many. Yay! Okay, we're about 6 miles out. I'm gonna take a pit stop, throw some new batteries in the GoPros, and let's see. This looks good. Yeah, this will work. Okay, GoPros are recharged. New batteries. We are getting close. We're only about 5.5 miles away. Cleaned my visor. Cleaned the GoPros. This is what I would call the middle of nowhere. This must be it. This has to be it. Rerouting. Yep, that's it. Alright, well guys, I made it. Definitely can't go in. I see security in there. But I'm gonna try to find a quiet, secret place. I don't know, not secret, but I'm gonna try to find a hidden place and maybe try to fly my drone over everything. We'll see. So I'm gonna take a ride around, see what I can see. There's a lot of traffic on this road, surprisingly. Let's try to find a place to... Is there anyone in that guard shack? Just go in there. It's kind of funny, there's a school right across the street from Michael Jackson's old place. Oh, skid. Who says this isn't a good off-road bike, right? Well, I found Neverland, and now I'm leaving Neverland. Oh my god, I'm gonna hit 1,000 miles! 1,000 miles, there we go! Yay! Not that that really matters. It's a milestone. This thing's running great. Let's go get some gas and some food. I have a cool place to show you guys. Nice classic car show. This is cool. I'm not going to stop though. So we're almost to Solvang, which is a wine vineyard area in Santa Barbara. I think Santa Barbara County. I'm not sure. But it's very popular. It's old-fashioned. And I'm going to hit up Pea Soup Anderson's, which is a weird, kind of bizarre diner restaurant. I'm going to have pea soup in a bread bowl. It's pretty good stuff. Get some gas and head home. So I will see you when I'm driving through town. I'll show you that. They have a lot of tasting rooms here, a lot of good food and restaurants. Very busy on the weekends though. This hardware is really cool. Valley Hardware. They got a lot of cool stuff. It's pretty old-fashioned in there. Knick-knack stores. Solvang Brewing Company. That's a yummy place. Yeah, I'm gonna pass all these people. Get some pea soup, man! Yeah, it's perfect timing. Now it'll open up. I see the sign. I'm blowing this yellow. Anderson's! Pea Soup Anderson's! Oh, what's this all about? Come on, man. I gotta eat some soup. Oh, I missed the driveway. That's horrible. Look at this place. This place rules. Let's see if I can get in over here. Yes! This is exciting. Yay! This is exciting. Pea Soup Anderson time. Thanks a lot everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit that bell notification and I will see you next time. Later.